Good morning, welcome back, hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to be changing the oil in the gearbox and the primary case. Yeah, you'd think that this was the filler cap, but it isn't actually. This is just an inspection cap on this beautiful gearbox cover. This is actually the filler cap on the primary side. Very nice little cap for the gearbox and a dipstick. And here's the drain plug underneath the gearbox. I use the same Valvoline engine oil in the gearbox, and this is a 5/16 nut. I'm just going to put in a quart for now. It should be 1.2, but we'll put this in for now and then top up once I've checked the dipstick. Sometimes it's a little difficult to see the oil on the end of the dipstick, so I've just covered this in a felt tip pen and magic marker just to see if that's any easier to tell. Yeah, looks like it's just at the bottom. So I will put the extra oil in. Okay, that's it topped up. I've decided not to change the oil in the primary case. A couple of reasons. Number one is I recently changed it anyway. Number two, you've got to remove all these screws around the cover in order to pull the cover away from the crankcases and literally let the oil drop out underneath because it doesn't have a drain plug. However, it does have a level plug. So what I'll do is I'll just check inside first of all, see if there's any oil there. There should be, hopefully. And what I'll do is I'll then remove the level plug and top up the primary case with fresh oil, and what happens then is oil starts weeping out of this hole here of the level plug, and then when it stops coming out you just put the plug back in and essentially you've topped up the oil. Yeah, I can see oil in there. And what I'll do as another job, when the engine's warm, actually not now when it's cold, I'll check the primary chain as well. It feels great now, but you've got to do that when the engine's warm.